Hey guys, Karena Calhoun here, Warcry Consulting Solutions. Welcome to my war room. Again, as you can see behind me, I have my sticky notes, my post-it notes. I have all kinds of things that help me to keep strategies going, to be organized, to be able to figure out what my next step is in my financial journey. So I want to welcome you into my war room. This is the war room here where we come and we ask questions. I bring you content that is valuable for your financial journey. And so, I thought about it today. What content can I bring to you today that is going to be valuable, that's going to help you along your financial journey? And so it's storming outside. And so as I was coming in, it dawned on me, that light bulb clicked. I was getting out of the car, trying to get to the front door. I had my umbrella. I had all of my belongings that I had gathered up, and I was standing at the front door, struggling, trying to get the key in, trying to hold the umbrella, trying to hold all of my belongings. And I said, you know what? That's it. That's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about why I do what I do. A lot of times during this financial journey, we don't understand how we're going to make it through. We can't see the light of hope. We don't know what turn we need to take next. And so I want to just give you a little bit of background information about me. Back in 2008, I was in the mortgage business, had been in the mortgage business at that point for many, many years. I was an underwriter. I was the one that approved or denied a mortgage loan. And during that time, the economic downturn happened, and so many people lost so many things, including myself. For the first time in my career, I found myself without a job. The company that I worked for shut down immediately at no notice, and I lost my job, I lost my car, I lost my home, I lost so many things, and at the same time, my credit was decreasing tremendously. And so during that time, I was identified by my credit report because it was so low, because there were so many things that was going on in America at that time economically. And so that's what I want to be able to talk about today, why I do what I do. So as I said, it's storming outside, and I want to be able to bring you great content that's going to help you along your financial journey. There's no need for us to go at this alone. Foreclosure does not have to be in our future or in our presence. Bankruptcy, there are many other options outside of bankruptcy. We don't have to go that route. And so I want to be that person that brings you that information, that content to help you along your journey. You don't have to do this alone. And so I am dedicated and committed to bringing you the information that you need. So please, guys, reach out to me. Ask me your questions. Give me your concerns. Give me your thoughts. Karena at warcryconsultingsolutions.com. You can also reach me. You can go to my website, www.warcryconsultingsolutions.com. And there I will be happy to chat with you. You can schedule an appointment with me. There are so many things, just like I said, that short walk from the car to the front door and struggling just to get into the house. And, how often are we in a storm, in a financial storm in our lives, and we're trying to figure out, how do I get from A to B without the elements really, truly affecting me? And so, guys, you don't have to do it alone. Again, Karena at warcryconsultingsolutions.com. And as you reach out to me, everything is confidential. Remember that, guys. I want to be able to help you strategize how to get from one point to the next with as little little elements hurting and harming you as possible. We can get through this, but we have to get through it together. So, guys, again, reach out to me. I am your money and credit coach. I don't help create wealth, but I do help you get to a place where you are managing what you have to then begin to create that wealth that you so desire. Things like a spending plan, things like rebuilding your credit report, things like really shifting your mindset on how to spend that money. Okay, think how to avoid foreclosure, how to avoid bankruptcy. So, guys, again, Karena at warcryconsultingsolutions.com. Guys, welcome to my war room. You can see my laptop just went out, so it's time for me to go, guys. Bye.